In this lesson, we will discuss subjective probability. We will see the subjective probability which we use in statistics. What is the concept of the subjective probability? So, subjective probability is the probability resulting from an individual's own judgment, right? It is based on your educated guess, it is based on your approximation, it is based on your estimation, which may be right or wrong. So, subjective probability is the probability resulting from an individual own judgment about whether a particular outcome is likely to occur or not. There is no calculation. See, it contains no formal calculations and only returns the subject's opinion and past experience. They differ from person to person. Each person has different opinion. Each person has a different educated guess, right? So this is the subjective probability. There is no calculations required, no observations, no experiments required. So that is why it is differ from person to person, because they are subjective. They can be formed on a person's opinions or other elements. You can also explain the subjective probability. Subjective probability uses a probability value based on an educated guess or approximation, employing views and inexact information. For example, weather forecasting, prediction of a sports outcome. Suppose if the team is going outside for playing, or a team is going to participate in the Olympics, on the basis of their team, on the basis of the past experience, they can make the opinion, they can make an idea educated guess that whether the team will win or not. So here are some examples. Same example, the sportsman may say that there is 80% probability that their team will win the Olympics. It means on the basis on of the past record, on the basis of their team, they can make a prediction, they can make an educated guess. Similarly, a doctor may say on the basis of his diagnosis that there is 50% chance of the kidney transplantation of the patient. So again, it is based on the doctor's diagnosis as well as his or her experience. Similarly, agriculturers give opinion on the basis of their experience that there is 60% probability that some crops will not good this year. Suppose there is no rain, if there is too much rain, or there is flood. So on the basis of their educated guess, on the basis of their experience, they can make the prediction, or they can make some conclusion. So there is no calculation required. This information may be right or wrong. So in this video, you have learned the concept of subjective probability. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sci My Academy, and thanks for watching.